Let's say you came across this question in your chemistry exam. How will you solve it? It is very easy. Now let's solve together. The question says, a given quantity of gas occupies a volume of 228 centimeter cube at a pressure of 750 mmHg. All right. The question now says, what will be its volume at this pressure? Any value that ends with mmHg is simply pressure. Now, if you check carefully in this question relates to important informations, which are volume and pressure. That is what this question relates. All right, I read through the question and I saw these two informations, which are volume and pressure. And from the look of things, this question on the board is from a very vital aspect in chemistry called gas laws. And we have different gas laws. Are you there? So listen properly. It is the information given to you in that question that will determine the exact gas law formula to use to solve a particular question on the topic gas law. Now, if you're a student finding it difficult to understand gas laws in general, I already have a full detailed video lesson on my YouTube channel that explains exhaustively on all the gas laws. So ensure you go watch that lesson on my YouTube channel. So let's get right into the question. Remember I said that this question relates volume and pressure. And the gas law that relates volume and pressure is simply the Boyle's law. Now, I believe you are aware that the Boyle's law equation is simply this, which is P1, all right, V1 is equal to P2 and V2. So let us read the question again to know exactly what we are looking for. Now, let me tell you something about gas law in general. The value you see first in a question becomes your initial, all right, be it volume or pressure in this case. Now pay attention, guys. So the question says, a given quantity of gas occupies a volume. So a volume of this. So I saw this volume first, then this volume becomes my V1. Are you there? At a pressure of this. I saw this pressure first, then this value becomes my P1. So the question now says, what will be its volume? So they are asking me for the other volume, which is V2 at this pressure, which is 760 mmHg. Then this pressure we are looking at here becomes the second pressure, which is P2. So in summary, this question wants us to get the V2, which is the final volume or the second volume in this question. The way I am solving this question, that is how you should solve any question pertaining to this aspect of chemistry called gas law, specifically the Boyle's law. Pay close attention, because at the end of solving this question, I'm going to give you one practice question, so you solve and provide the answer in the comment section. So moving for that question, wants us to get our V2. So we simply make V2 subject of formula. So do that. We divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of V2, meaning what is close to V2, it is P2 in this case. So we divide both sides of the equation by P2. So P2 here cancels P2, remaining just V2. So V2 will now be equal to this, which is P1 V1 over P2. So what becomes V2? What is the P1? The initial pressure. The first pressure saw in the question, 750 mmHg. Just pay attention. Times what is the V1, which is the initial volume. The first volume saw 228 centimeter cube, all right? So 228 centimeter cube divided by, what is the P2? The P2 is simply the second pressure you saw and it is 760 mmHg. So when we hit our calculator, the final volume becomes, which is the second volume, becomes 225 centimeter cube. And the answer to this question becomes option A. You can see how questions under this aspect are being tackled without stress. So guys, get ready for your own practice question, and here is your own. So it says a given quantity of a gas occupies a volume of, let's say here, 300, all right, 300 centimeter cube, all right, at a pressure, let's say in this case it is 700 mmHg, all right, and what will be its volume at, let's say in this case, 730 mmHg. So provide the answer to this question on the board. We've come to the end of this video lesson. If you found my video lesson helpful, make sure you click on the subscribe button to my YouTube channel and also share my lessons to your friends. Thanks for watching.
To have more understanding about chemistry calculations and solving all of these type of questions, I already have them on the chemistry masterpiece, okay, which is calculations and keynotes in chemistry. So if you are preparing to write the JAM exam, this book is very, very important for you. Now, for more information getting the chemistry masterpiece, do well to direct message me via my WhatsApp number. It will be on the screen.